Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to prepare overnight oats. Let's start with taking oats. So here I have taken around half a cup oats. Usually you can use rolled oats or steel cut oats. Do not go for the instant ones. Next I add cinnamon. I add about half a teaspoon. If you like it, you can add more or you can skip it. I just like cinnamon, so I add it for the flavor. The next I will add is chia seed, about a tablespoon of chia seeds. And the next ingredient which I'm going to add is milk. So milk, I don't measure it, I just eyeball it. It's around 1 cup. If you like thick oats, then you can add less milk. Since I like it bit runny consistency, so I add more milk. And next for the flavor, I'm going to add peanut butter. And if you wish, you can make different flavors using coffee, using cocoa. Also, if you are vegan, you can add different vegan milks which are available. I really like using almond milk or oat milk itself. Today I have used cow milk because that's what available. Mix it well, mix it properly. And then you have to just leave it overnight in the fridge, or at least for 4 hours. It is really beneficial to eat soaked oats rather than cooking them instantly and having them immediately. You can just Google it and see what are the benefits of it. If you're a student or if you're a working person, this is the best breakfast for you, as you don't have to prepare again in the morning. You have to just take it out from the fridge. If you wish, you can warm it up in microwave or eat it as is. And this is just amazing. This will keep you fuller for a very long time. Now I'm just gonna close it with the lid and keep it in a fridge. And I will see you guys in the morning. I'll show you how it looks in the morning. So it's been more than 12 hours now. My overnight oats were in the fridge. It's time for my breakfast. Let's see how they have turned out. Looks good to me. Exactly the consistency what I want. I might just add little bit of milk. Also, I forgot to tell you one thing yesterday, like if you wish, you can add fruits of your choice while soaking your overnight oats itself, or even in the morning when you're going to eat it, you can add whatever fruits you want. Usually I love adding berries, so I add blueberries or strawberries, but you can go ahead and add banana, or you can add apple and sprinkle some cinnamon on it, or kiwi. There are plenty of fruits choices available. You can add whatever you like. So now I'm going to add a little bit of milk and some blueberries in it, and just going to enjoy my breakfast before I start my work. If you like this video and if you happen to recreate this recipe, let me know if you like it, and make sure you like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for all quick and easy recipes for working people and students who are living on their own. I hope you guys have a good day. Thank you.